The table below shows the distribution of scores obtained by some students in a test. If the mean score is 4, find the value of m. We have the scores and its corresponding number of students. The question tells us that the mean score is 4. We are going to use this to find the value of m. To do that, we will have to find the mean and then we will equate it to 4. That will help us to get the value of m. So we are going to find the mean. I'll draw a table with 3 columns, like you can see here. The first column will be for the scores. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next one will be for the number of students. We have 1, 4, 5, 6, m, and 2. We want to find the mean. We know that the mean will be given by the sum of fx divided by the sum of f. We will get the sum of f by adding the f values. We have 1, 4, 5, 6, m, and 2. If we add them together, we are going to have m plus 18. So the sum of f is equal to m plus 18. We need the sum of fx. To get the sum of fx, we first have to find the fx values. So the fx values will be in the third column. We will multiply the x values by the f values to get the fx values. So the first one will be 1 times 1, which is 1. The next one is 2 times 4, which is 8. The next one is 3 times 5, which is 15. The next one is 4 times 6, which is 24. The next one is 5 times m, which is 5m. And the last one is 6 times 2, which is 12. We want sigma fx, that is the sum of fx. So we will add these values. When we add them, we are going to have 5m plus 60. So the sum of fx is equal to 5m plus 60. So we have the sum of fx and we have the sum of f. And we have the mean score to be 4. So we will input them into the formula that we have here. When we do that, we are going to have 4 is equal to the sum of fx, which is 5m plus 60, divided by the sum of f, which is m plus 18. We now have a linear equation here. So we will solve this linear equation for the value of m. To do that, I'll multiply both the left-hand side and the right-hand side by the denominator, which is m plus 18. When I do that, I'm going to have 4 times m plus 18. That is 4 into bracket m plus 18 is equal to 5m plus 60. Let's expand the bracket here. 4 times m will give us 4m. 4 times 18 will give us 72. So we have 4m plus 72 is equal to 5m plus 60. Let's group like terms. When I group like terms, I'm going to have 72 minus 60 is equal to 5m minus 4m. 72 minus 60 is 12. 5m minus 4m is m. So we have 12 is equal to m, or m is equal to 12. So the value of m is 12.